Hello, Mugen here, and I'm going to go over a quick tutorial on the tools of Photoshop. Now, the reason why I have this picture up is because I want to go over a few examples on how the tools are usually can actually work. As a perfect example to see what happens, and you'll pretty much get the idea. But let's get started. Um, the first tool, the moving tool. Basically, the moving tool is just a moving tool. It can help move around, adjust certain images. Like if you want to move, for example, you can move this image right here, either to this left or to the right. But that is up to you at that point. And that is a quick demonstration of the moving tool. Another tool is called the marquee tool. Now, once you see an arrow at the corner, that means there are more tools behind it, like rectangular marquee tool, elliptical marquee tool, single row marquee tool, and single column marquee tool. But the only tool I've always used and pretty much probably strongly recommend is the rectangular tool, because reason for that is if you're only doing certain images that deals with just geometric, the square is your best friend, because you can just adjust a certain way how you want it, like so. And I'm just going to just cover this up. Now, once you get this marching ants, that means you have made your selection within the area. Now, if you want to get rid of the marching ants, Control D is your best friend. Just saying. Control D cancels out the marching ants. Now, also, if you want to cut out an area, Control X is also your best friend as well. If you want to cut out a certain area that you don't want. But we're going to just cancel it for now. Control D. Next one is the Magic Lasso tool. Now the Lasso tool, lasso, and also magnetic. Magnetic is more effective than the others because with a magnetic tool, it actually just automatically connects with the image that you want to get rid of or make changes to. But so far we're just going to just fuck around over here and get a quick demo. But if you already made your selection and you want to confirm it, here's what you do. As soon as you see that circle, which you've probably seen, but as long as you make your your roundabout to a certain area that you want to cut out, until you get to the point that you're you see a circle at the bottom of your Magic Lasso, that means you've made your selection. And again, Control D. Now, the Magic Wand tool, it has the same purpose, but it's pretty much more get rid of some areas that you want to don't want or don't like, which I'm also going to get go over in the next tutorial. Control D. Crop tool just crops an area that you want to shorten your piece. The eye driver tool just copies the color, and as you pretty much the change here, more around here. And this is part 1 of the tutorial because I'm not sure how much time this thing takes, but part 2 coming up, to be continued.